As its name indicates, synthetic, it means artificial. The indicators, synthetic indicators, which are synthesized in the laboratory or industry, are known as synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicators must have or they must carry certain chemical reactions. The examples are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. PHENOLPHTHALEN, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. These two common synthetic indicators are widely used in the laboratory for the detection or for testing whether the given sample is acid or base. The third type of indicator is universal indicator. Here, mixture of different indicators are used to make universal indicator. So, an universal indicator, it is a mixture of indicators which shows a gradual but well marked series of color changes over a very wide range of change in concentration of hydrogen ion. So, on the basis of the concentration of hydrogen ion, the gradual changes in the color which shows in the by using the universal indicator. So, if the hydrogen ion concentration is more, it shows deep color, and it will be gradually reduced, the color will also be reduced gradually. So, universal indicators are also used nowadays. Now, the properties of acid. As you already studied the shower test, or acids have generally sour to taste. Dissolve in water to release hydrogen ion. Acid turns blue litmus red. Phenolphthalein colors and gives a red color with methyl orange. Now these are the physical properties. Now the chemical properties of discuss some important chemical properties of acid. Chemical properties of acids. First, action with metals. Dilute acids react with certain active metals to evolve hydrogen gas. It means what is mean dilute acid? When water is added to acid, this is your concentrated acid, conc acid. When water is mixed in them, it becomes dilute. Dilute acid means water mixed acid. That is called dilute acid. The strength of this dilute acid becomes reduced as water is mixed in them. So its concentration becomes lowered. So the first some metals reacts with dilute, not conc, concentrated dilute acid. Hydrogen gas is released and salt is formed. Salt is formed. Salt formation depends upon the nature of acid, whether it is sulfuric, sulfate, nitrate, or chloride. So, on the basis of the general formula, metal plus dilute acid क्या बन गया salt plus water. Oh, sorry, salt plus hydrogen. As for example, some zinc plus H2SO4 dilute ZnSO4 aqueous plus hydrogen gas released. Suppose in case of sulfuric acid, when we take dilute hydrochloric acid, now which salt is formed? Here zinc chloride. Is formed. Suppose magnesium plus HCl, magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Now the question is, how can we detect the escaping gas is hydrogen? आप एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं, एक टेस्ट ट्यूब लीजिए. take some zinc metal, add dilute HCl and a delivery tube cork. You will find after adding Zn granules, and this is your dilute HCl. Fit the cork after pouring dilute HCl in test tube. Close the mouth of the test tube. This is your test tube. After some times, the reaction between dilute acid and zinc granules takes place, and in the form of bubble, you will find that the bubbles in the form of hydrogen gas escapes, and from discharge delivery it comes out. If you a burning matchstick, it will burns, the gas burns with giving pop sound. This is the which shows that the escaping gas is hydrogen, because hydrogen gas burns itself with producing pop sound. So all all the reactions are of metal and dilute acid is in displacement nature. Displacement displacement in nature. It means metal displaces hydrogen from dilute acid. This metal is displaces hydrogen. So this is displacement reaction. Now the second property is action with metal oxides, carbonate, hydrogen carbonate. In next class it will be discussed. Thank you.